What's up guys, this is the second video about King Abdullah Financial District. What makes this interesting is that King Abdullah Financial District is not fully opened, but they have partially made some spaces and buildings available for the Riyadh Art festivities. We're here to view the light and art installations under Noor Riyadh project of Riyadh Art. Noor Riyadh is a new citywide annual festival of light and art that nurtures creativity, promotes talent, and delivers awe-inspiring experiences. It was launched on March 18, 2021. It is still ongoing until June 12. In this project, they have invited local and international artists to install light and art installations all across the kingdom, but most of them are in Riyadh. So from time to time we will show you the art installations that we have visited with the name of the artist in it. Here at another art installation. This is the Mitochondria Powerhouses by Ahmed Matter. On the background is a wonderful footbridge inside King Abdullah Financial District. We are looking at the KAFD Mosque, which is the spiritual center of this district. Looking at the three new skyscrapers. On the right is the Samba Bank headquarters, on the center is the GCC Bank headquarters, and on the left side is the World Trade Center of King Abdullah Financial District. We are standing in front of the 303, which is a pop-up restaurant park with 8 gourmet street food kitchens. And we're looking at another Riyadh art installation. This is Daydream by Robert Wilson. another installation by Angelo Benilo called Run Beyond. So in the World Trade Center building, there is another art installation which is Bifurcation by Daniel Canogar. And this is the beautiful mural in the AMC cinemas that we have enjoyed watching. So that's it, guys. It's time to head out, and thanks for watching. We have only visited 6 out of the 33 total citywide installations of Noor Riyadh, which is viewable from open spaces and does not require prior booking. Know more about these 33 citywide installations in their website, which I will put down the link in the description.